What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I'm doing a 100% honest slime review on DIY clay slimes that I got at Kawaii Slime Show. Holden and I are pretty excited about this as you can see, so let's get started, shall we? Also, my slime shop is restocked with a bunch of brand new slimes, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. The largest order this week is going to be getting a free 32-ounce slime, so head over to unicornslime.com or click the link in the description bar to head on over and snatch up some slimes. Alrighty, first up is a slime that I bought from Shook Slime. This one here is called Painting the Roses Red, and it was even scented like roses. It smelled really nice and soothing, and as you can see, this base is just amazing. It's so thick, glossy, and gorgeous. I loved it so much. Mixing it was so much fun, and I just really love the concept of this slime. Next up, we have the Pikachu DIY Clay Slime. This one is from Woohoo Slime, and it was actually my first time meeting them, so it was really fun at Kawaii Slime Show. I am obsessed with this slime. I love Pokemon, so I love the idea of this, and it was just super, super cute. The clay itself, it was very different. I felt like it was a mixture of clay, kind of like what I do. I like to mix different clays together for DIY clay slimes, and I really, really enjoyed this one. It was so much fun to mix. I just really enjoyed this slime. Next up, we have two iconic DIY clay slimes from Borax Buddy Slime. I love Sharon Lawrence so much. So we have the Chocolate Frog clay slime. This one is really cool because it's inspired by Harry Potter, I believe, and it's just really beautiful. I love this slime so much. And the next one, this one is Mickey's Waffle Sundae, and they actually had like a whole sundae bar set up for this. It was super, super cool, and then they bagged it all for you there at the event, which is awesome. I actually traded them sundae bars, so they got mine and I got theirs. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Chocolate Frog slime. This one is super cool. The container actually cracked on the way over here, but no slime spilled out, so I just put it in one of my containers. So that's why it doesn't have a label on there. But I really loved the base slime of it. It was like a sleigh slime and it was really nice. These clays, I don't know what they use, but they effortlessly like just combined with the slime and it was amazing. I loved mixing it. And this one actually came with a Pot Pie collectible card. That's super, super cool. Everybody knows their Pot Pie iconic slime. So that is amazing, and it came with some glitters as well. It was just so beautiful. I loved it. The Mickey Waffle Slime is just as iconic, and the clay mixes just as effortlessly into the slime. It is so, so nice. This one had a station so that you get to choose like your own ingredients to add onto it. So I believe everybody gets a waffle, a strawberry, and blueberries, and a base, but you get to customize the syrup that you add onto it. So I chose to get a hazelnut syrup, but I believe they also had like maple syrup and strawberry syrup as well, if I'm not mistaken, which I thought was really cool and such like a fun idea to kind of put together your own slime and take it home so that you can assemble it yourself. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the DIY clay slimes were your favorite. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!